have a clue. Hi. Hi. Waiting for what? Waiting for live. Shout out to the right Panday. It's watching from Red Lips. Thank you, George P. On internet. Bakit naman? Uy. The mango. You like to I'm waiting for what? Someone. Ano ba yan? Kasing mangga yan. Ganun ba? Massage ko yung ulo ko. Ganun. Massage. Bibili ako ng ano. I will buy coming. Hello. It's coming out in jar. Where's my phone? Thank you, George P. I hope I can see you in person. So you can your age 20? Are you joking? I'm not 20. I am 20 plus. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. 20 plus 20 is equals to 40. That's what the real. I'm 40. I'm not anymore. Wala kang bang bago doon? Wala. Oh. Ikot na ako lang kasi magbili pa ako ng props. Wala pa akong mga bikinis. Wala pa ako ng mga props kasi lumiit na yung ano kita ko doon. Kasi minsan ako Hi, I'm your big fan. Stand up one time for big fan. Okay. Blurred. Blurred yung bagong mulos. Blurred yun? Ano ba yun? Sige lang kay I will try. Maybe tomorrow. Busy lang ako sa school. Tapos pag uwi, busy talaga. Uwi, pagod na. Pagod na si mami.